Hello there, this is George with Coatings by the Bed. I'm just here to show off this brand new gorgeous 2025 Honda Pilot that got our 5-year paint coating. And this is some proof that I am not a high pressure guy. Gentleman asked for paint only, confirmed this morning that he only wanted the paint done. He's walking in and walking out for under $1,000 with absolutely no pressure to buy more. So the paint's protected for 5 years to come, high gloss, easy to clean, chemical resistant, so it'll help with the Wisconsin winters. And this is about as good as it gets. And since it is a nice sunny day today, weather's floating above 50 degrees. The gentleman asked if he could pick up right away. I told him he had to wait 3 hours. That's the minimum. We have 3 24/7 rules. So 3 hours is drivable. 24 hours before it gets wet, 7 days before the first wash. So clear sunny day over 60. Told him he could take it home with him today and store it in his garage tonight. If you have a new vehicle and live in the Appleton, Green Bay, Neenah, Oshkosh, kind of anywhere off of Lake Winnebago, we have our studio in Grand Chute. We also serve the entire state of Wisconsin with mobile installation. You just need a climate controlled space, as well as basic water and power hookups. We will bring everything else. So yeah, new and luxury. We only do ceramic coatings. You can text me a make, model, year, and I can get you an estimate sent in minutes. Hope to talk to you soon.